Hey dreamers! Welcome back to Win Blueprint, your go-to channel for all things entrepreneurship and digital success. Today, we're beginning an exhilarating journey through the realm of online business this year. But before we dive into the world of digital entrepreneurship, let's kick things off with a lighthearted joke to set the tone. Why did the online business owner break up with the internet? Because it had too many commitment issues. So, what exactly is an online business? An online business, also known as an e-commerce venture or e-business, operates primarily through digital platforms to provide products or services to a global audience. Whether you're selling handmade crafts, offering virtual services, or sharing your expertise through online coaching, the possibilities are endless in the digital realm. Now, let's explore the myriad benefits of launching your own online venture. From lower startup costs to global market access, the advantages are aplenty. Plus, with the flexibility to work on your own schedule and the scalability to grow your business effortlessly, the digital landscape offers endless opportunities for aspiring entrepreneurs. All right, let's dive into some exciting online business ideas that are poised for success this year. Online plant nursery. With the rise of indoor gardening trends, launching an online plant nursery could be a lucrative venture. Whether you're selling plants, seeds, or gardening accessories, there's ample opportunity to tap into this flourishing market. Virtual event planner. The era of virtual events is here to stay, and skilled event planners are in high demand. Whether it's organizing online conferences or webinars, there's no shortage of opportunities in the virtual event space. Wellness coaching. With a heightened focus on health and well-being, online wellness coaching has become increasingly popular. Whether you're offering personalized advice on diet, exercise, or stress management, there's a growing market for holistic wellness solutions. Remote tech support. As technology usage continues to rise, so does the need for tech support services. Whether it's troubleshooting software issues or setting up home networks, remote tech support offers a valuable service in today's digital age. Voiceover services. If you've got a captivating voice and a knack for storytelling, why not venture into the world of voiceover services? From video ads to audiobooks, there's a growing demand for talented voice artists in the digital sphere. Book cover artist. For the creatively inclined, becoming a book cover artist can be a rewarding endeavor. From designing captivating covers for self-published authors to creating custom artwork, there's no shortage of opportunities in the world of book cover design. Now that you're brimming with business ideas, it's crucial to consider the key factors that can shape the success of your online venture. Market demand. Conduct thorough market research to gauge the demand for your product or service. Identifying niche markets and understanding consumer preferences are essential for long-term success. Skills and interests. Evaluate your skills and interests to ensure they align with your chosen business idea. Running a business you're passionate about can make the journey more enjoyable and rewarding. Startup costs. Assess your financial capacity to handle the startup costs of your business. From website development to marketing expenses, budgeting wisely is crucial for sustainable growth. Legal considerations. Ensure your business complies with all relevant laws and regulations. This may include obtaining necessary licenses, understanding tax obligations, and protecting intellectual property rights. Business model. Choose a business model that aligns with your product or service offering. Whether it's e-commerce, subscription-based services, or advertising revenue, selecting the right model is key to profitability. Marketing strategy. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy to promote your business effectively. Utilize social media marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, and content marketing to reach your target audience. Scalability. Consider the scalability of your business model and its potential for growth. As your business expands, be prepared to adapt and innovate to meet evolving consumer demands. Work-life balance. Strive to maintain a healthy work-life balance as you navigate the challenges of entrepreneurship. While running an online business offers flexibility, it's essential to prioritize self-care and personal well-being. And there you have it, folks, the ultimate guide to conquering the world of online business in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or a budding visionary, the digital landscape offers endless opportunities for growth and innovation. So, seize the moment, embrace the possibilities, and let your entrepreneurial spirit soar. Remember, success doesn't come easy, but with passion, perseverance, and a sprinkle of digital magic, you can turn your online business dreams into a thriving reality. So, keep pushing forward, stay true to your vision, and never underestimate the power of your dreams. Together, we'll build a brighter, bolder future in the digital age. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow entrepreneurs. Join the Win Blueprint community, and let's start this incredible journey together. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep believing, and keep winning.